Hello, this is Carrie Livingood, and in this video, we will share with you some tips and tricks for using the Microsoft app ToDo. This handy tool allows you to create tasks, schedule and distribute them to categories, and you can also share these to-do lists with your coworkers to promote teamwork and accountability. The ToDo app also works together with the Planner application and Outlook, so all tasks you have assigned and flagged emails you have in these different apps will also show in your ToDo app as tasks for you to determine their priority. Before we can do that, you will need to download the ToDo application from the Microsoft Store. You can either open your Start menu and find the icon from there, or you can type in the search bar for the Microsoft Store and select it. Once in the Microsoft Store, search for ToDo and install the Microsoft ToDo app. After clicking the install button, it may ask you to sign in to your Microsoft account. You can simply exit out of this login window and the download will begin. Once complete, open up your Start menu and the Microsoft ToDo application will auto-populate in the recently added section. Select it, and the ToDo app will open to its welcome screen. Here you will be prompted to sign in to your Microsoft account. Select the Sign In button and enter your company email and password to set up your account. Once signed in, you will be welcomed to your Planner home screen. However, before we start using the app, there are some sync settings that you may want to enable first. In the top left corner, select your account and this will open a drop-down menu. Select Settings and you will be redirected to the Settings page. From here, scroll down till you see the Connected Apps section. Here you can set up connections with your Outlook flagged emails and your Planner as well. Utilize these syncs to organize all tasks from across platforms in one place. Also note that there are other connections that you can enable through ToDo, like Wunderlist. When the sync is complete, you will see all your tasks and flagged emails automatically populate in their respective tabs. Not only does ToDo automatically sync different tasks from Outlook and Planner, but it also automatically organizes these tasks into different tabs. Important tasks are marked by stars on any task you have in the ToDo app. To star a task, simply click on the star icon. Planned tasks are any tasks in ToDo that have a due date assigned to them. This includes tasks in Planner, Outlook, and tasks you create in the ToDo app. Assigned to you tasks are populated from the different Microsoft planners you are a member of. From here, you can manage the progress and completion of different plans you are assigned to. Flagged emails sync directly with your Outlook account and include all emails you have flagged for you to organize and prioritize. Lastly, tasks are tasks created directly through the Microsoft ToDo app. You can further organize your tasks by creating lists and adding tasks to them. And in the My Day view, you can add or drag and drop tasks to complete throughout your day. This is perfect for the employee that has a lot of things to do and just needs a list of tasks to focus on for the day. If you have any questions while using the ToDo application, or you are running through these steps and it is not working for you, feel free to reach out to us and we will be happy to help.